Hi, I'm Nikki and I'm a homemaker. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm doing a short vlog for our Saturday evening. It is my daughter Mia's birthday weekend. She's turning 14. Woo! And she requested that we just spend some time together around the fire. She loves to sit around the fire with some s'mores, and that's what she wanted to do. And tomorrow we'll celebrate with some shopping and stuff, but we wanted to share this with you. It's short, but I think it's fun and cute, so I hope you guys really enjoy it. Our favorite viejita in the room. So we're doing some s'mores and stuff today, and every time we do s'mores, it's a little chilly here in West Texas. We do some hot chocolate, and we do this viejita right here, abuelita. So it's 4 cups to a chocolate tablet.
That's more than 4.
Yeah.
Hi. Okay.
That's how many tablets I know to put in.
Oh, I thought you were putting only one. Give me your mic.
Thanks for having my back though, girl. Okay, that's 3 tablets. That should be enough for us. So my 14-year-old Mia was in the mood for some s'mores, so that's what we got going on right now on this nice, fresh West Texas night. It is so relaxing just watching that fire. It's so pretty. Hey boy. Hey boy. You enjoying the fire? I'm ending this day, Saturday night, with a little glass of wine. Red dry wine, that's all I can drink. And when I drink it, I don't drink just very little. Just to, I don't know, get the edge off a little bit. I never drink. I hardly drink. Maybe like, I haven't drank since last year. No, since May. Something like that. I don't know. But this is how I'm ending it. This is a short video, short nighttime video. But I wanted to make sure that, I don't know, I wanted to share something. I'm trying to get into these vlogs. These vlogs are like, I'm not used to them. So little by little, I'm working my way into them for Vlogmas, of course. You ever see those pictures people post drinking wine by the fire? Oh my goodness. This is my Saturday night. My husband's making me watch ghost stuff, and I don't like watching ghost stuff, but this is my night, and my fire is set on the rocks changing. I think the flames are going to change in a little bit. I don't know. I don't know, you guys, but this is going to be the end, and thank you guys for watching. I will see you on the next video, you guys. Y'all have a great weekend. I'm trying to enjoy mine. It is my daughter's birthday weekend, so she wanted to do a little fire, just family. We usually invite a lot of their friends, but she was like, no, just family for tonight. So they're going to be out shopping tomorrow. But anyways, this is how we're going to end this night. You guys have a good one. See you on the next video.